If you're having difficulties finding your Uber Eats surveys, then stick around for the end of this video and I'll help you get that accomplished. First, from the main page of Uber Eats, go to your top left-hand corner and click those 3 lines. Since surveys are linked to your profile, let's go ahead and click on our profile picture to get started. To get to your surveys, go ahead and click that satisfaction button on the right-hand side of your screen to get started. Now, Uber defaults things to rides first, so let's go ahead and click on the deliveries button and see what happens next. So now you can see your deliveries from the merchants, so the restaurants, and as well from your customers. Need some more information? Click the exclamation mark so you can see more about satisfaction ratings. One more little bonus thing, go ahead and click that top right hand corner of your screen for the question mark, followed by understanding ratings. This is a little bonus tip that Uber provides for you to understand your ratings just a little bit more, and frequently asked questions are in this section. And if you haven't already checked out my channel for other tutorial videos, ride-alongs, and more, then go ahead and do so, and I will catch you lovelies in the next video.